Year was good. So today I'm gonna try to teach y'all how to wheelie on a pedal bike. Let's get right into it. So first thing you're gonna need obviously is a bike. I would also recommend you have some valid brakes that you could trust. And then the only other thing you're gonna need is some determination. So to get the bike off the ground, find a dominant foot that you have. Mine is actually my left. So when you're gonna pop, this is the foot I would use to pick my bike up, my left leg. So you're gonna wanna find your dominant foot and then think about this. You're gonna wanna have your pedal like around there, I would say. This is a good enough power to like be able to lean back, pop your body weight back, and then your wheel is just gonna fly up. If you push this down and put your body weight back, like pop up at the same time, it's gonna be all in your legs to get it off the ground. So yeah, you're gonna wanna go, put your leg around there where I said your dominant could be this leg, that leg, but you're gonna wanna go, get like a decent speed, have your leg there, be pedaling a little, and then when you feel comfortable, you might wanna stand a little, pop it up with your foot, and then put the leg up, and then yeah, after that it's all controlling it with your legs and your brakes after that to keep it up. It helps if you start off probably going uphill, because if you go uphill, it's just like you could kind of use the hill to help you stay up. So when you're first learning, I would recommend doing this. You have to get comfortable doing this with your bike at least. Just getting the wheel off the ground and maybe trying to get some pedals at least. Try to get some pedals in there every single time you pop it up. Eventually you're gonna start doing something called chasing, probably, where it's like you have it up but you're not really controlling it, and then you start going mad fast and stuff and you're not really controlling it, but like it's up. I'm gonna be honest with you, it took me like a year to learn how to wheelie, and that's actually basically what I did. I would always just pop it, try to get as much pedals in as I could before I drop. It's also called a catwalk. You see how I was standing? That shit's called a catwalk, bro. Eventually, when you learn how to catwalk and you have some pedals in and you could keep the wheel up off the ground, and let's say you could get like 5 pedals in, let's say, that's good, because eventually you're gonna want to move on to the next step, which is pop it, is use your brakes. So do something like this, pop it, let's say get some pedals in, and if you feel like you're gonna fall backwards, slam your brake and just go down, like just slam your brake. Trust me, bro, this right here is gonna be your best friend. It's gonna be your best friend if you want to get like good wheelies for like a long time and all that. You're gonna want to master the brake eventually, but obviously if you're learning, you just have to get comfortable popping. You just have to get over the fear of like falling and like being able to just pop it at least, because after that the only thing is to just like get comfortable like holding it. So yeah, eventually when you could catwalk, you gotta catwalk and then try to go lower and sit. Once you could do that and get comfortable doing it, it's gonna feel crazy and you're gonna feel like, yo, I know how to wheelie. And you're basically right. Once you do that, you're on your way, because that's basically wheelie. Now you just have to learn how to hold that up, pop, sit, brakes if you're gonna fall back, and just keep it there. Just pedal, keep it there. Look, like right here, this is all brake. I'm not pedaling at all. See, you see my finger moving? If I'm gonna fall back, I hold it and then I stay up. See? Fire. So yeah, just to wrap up basically everything I'm saying, you want to learn how to get the wheel off the ground, pedal with it, like maybe in a catwalk to hold it up, eventually sit down, feel that brake, get up to 12, and then yeah, just keep pedaling. Pedal, brake, no wheelie is the same, they all feel different. So you really want to learn these like techniques and muscle memory if you want to really play around with it and stuff. And yeah, basically how you wheelie. If you go downhill, it's less pedal and more brake. So you pop it, and then look at my legs, and then look at my finger. Every time I feel like it's gonna fall back, I just bring it back down. when you go uphill, it's not really brake. You kind of have to pedal to actually go up the hill, you know? So that's why it helps you when you wheelie. You could kind of use the hill to keep the wheel up. Just control it. But yeah, when you're going down, it's all brake to control it. You really don't need a pedal. You could go with the momentum of the hill to keep it up. So the wheel's gonna either want to go upward, which means you press the brake to bring it back down, or if your wheel's going too down, you got to pedal to bring it back up. And it's up to you to control that. So yeah, that's how you learn how to wheelie. If you maybe did something different, probably drop it in the comments. Let people know how you learned, how long it took you to learn, maybe tips and stuff that'll help out someone else, maybe something I didn't say, something I didn't say right. Just put it all in the comments, bro.